Wagwan bread bins, got an absolute beauty of an episode for you guys today, so grab your sun hats and your swimming shorts and come along for the ride. Check that out, man. Got a little track, it's hard to get through.
We're going on an adventure. Sorry.
Osbornes in Jamaica.
I'm here with my mate out, so where are we?
Santa Cruz, Jamaica.
We're at Santa Cruz. Got a nice shotgun. Just wanted to say, big him up. Hard-working gentleman. Thank you so much, sir. Respect. They're painting Triple P Sports Bar, man. Nah. What am I longing for? Do, 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 do. What am I longing for? Where are we? Do you recognize this? Santa, Santa! Now, turn right. So we're waiting outside of where it says on the map that Breadnut Falls is, but you can't get in and all we have is a number, so it's a bit sketchy because we're kind of like in the middle of the nowhere. Like a closed off one-way thing, so if someone boxes us in, we're stuck basically.
Hopefully.
What's that smell?
Gonna
Have one of you pooed themselves?
No!
You're going to want to stick around to the end of this one to experience the unbelievable beauty of the waterfalls and the authentic cook shop that we go to later on Spur Tree Hill. The food is unbelievable.
One was cut.
So this is some serious river, guys. And that's it. Wow, look at that. Breadnut Valley, baby. Woo! Wow, it's pretty amazing, man. We'll have to come back here for a cookout. No, you can just wear them, it's fine. Sorry. Come on, let's go.
Let's go. Not over there, we're going on an adventure. Are we going up here?
No.
Are we not?
No.
Where's the...
Up there, you have to walk to it.
Okay.
Over there, way there.
Clap, clap, clap.
Say, Breadnut Falls.
Breadnut Falls. Yay! Who's gonna go in first? Who's gonna go in first?
Me.
Who's gonna go in first?
Me. Mum, look, I see a waterfall down there.
I know.
That's down there.
You sure?
Yeah.
How do you know which is the kids bit and which is the grown-up bit?
Cause you're both grown up
Yeah.
and you can lift heavy things. Oh.
Yeah, we can.
Yeah.
Go, Daddy.
Go, Daddy.
Daddy's clearing the way a little bit. Whoa!
Wow, that was a big splash.
Did you see that splash?
Yeah, it almost splashes me.
Do you think you could lift a log like that, Theo?
Yeah.
Quite muddy, to be honest. Slimy.
Is it?
He said like come to this bit because the bit up there, it's got a little track. It's hard to get through.
Oh, okay.
But
Children one.
yeah.
Okay. Well, this is stop one. Let's go find the next location.
What? Stay there for 1 second. Stay there. Don't move.
So just wait for 1 second and check out what is just around the corner past these trees. Beautiful little spot for a river cookout, wouldn't you say? You can literally stand right on the edge of this waterfall, even get onto that rock and put your hand in the waterfall.
Check that out, man. That's some power.
The steps. Take your time, darling. Take your time. This is cool.
Don't stop.
Like going through water. Wow. Look at this. Come a bit closer. Wow,
Yeah.
look.
Guys, why don't you sit on this little log here?
No.
Stick around for the Stone-Skimming competition that's about to take place. Who do you think wins?
Whoa.
Did you see that? Mummy is trying to skim it.
Yeah.
But failed.
You trying to skim stones, guys?
Yeah, well.
You need a nice flat one.
That's what I was looking for.
A nice wide. Skim Skimmer. Who got the keys to my skimmer? That one's quite not gonna skim.
Yeah, that's just gonna drop.
Oh,
Oh, wow.
Did you see that skim?
Well done, Hazy. Well done, Daddy.
Right, I'm up in the ante. Check this.
Whoa, watch out now. Remember, be careful of each other. Yay! Well done, Daddy.
He's fine, he's fine.
All right, we're on to the next part of the river, the next
They're
spot
fine,
to check
honestly.
out. Come with us.
Yeah, we've never been here before, so we're just checking it out, aren't we, really? Wait. Wow, man. These waters are nice. Look at the bedrock there. It's beautiful, man. Absolutely beautiful. No, I meant like come back another time.
So we're at, where are we? Breadnut Valley.
Not butternut squash falls.
Not butternut squash. We're at Breadnut Valley. Look at the scenery.
Unbelievable, man.
Beautiful.
Well, go on, bread bins. We're at Breadnut Valley Estate Falls, and it's a bit mash up after Melissa, yeah, but it's still an absolute tropical paradise. Like, check this out. Look at the mountain in the background. Yeah, turn your head one way. Turn your head one way to the right. Mountains, mountain up there. There's a waterfall up there that's in all the pictures, but you can't really get to it because it's all overgrown and you have to swim down it. And I've got 3 kids, 3 babies. Turn to your left and you have absolutely magical, I'm talking that is breathtakingly beautiful, that vista going across there, yeah, of some of the best waterfall action you can imagine. I'd love to get in down there, yeah, traverse some of these rocks and walk across, because you can definitely do that. But the thing is, a lot of water, so there's a lot of rapids, man, and you get sucked in that, man, you're gone. You are gone, you're done. So anyway, we're not going to do that today. We're going to head off, I think, to Billy's Bay. It's hot, it's absolutely amazing here, but the thing is, the kids can't go in it, so just be aware that it's not really a kiddie spot. This ain't a kiddie spot. It is if they're up on the grass, because I would say that this is like an unbelievable spot. So this is the bar area, but it's kind of shut at the moment. So it looks good, doesn't it? They're building it back up. And it's going to take you down to this one little spot that I saw down here. Alright, I'll get him in a minute. So let's have a look at this. Bamboo alley. There's a lizard, green lizard. Check that out. Look at that lizard, man. I've never seen a lizard like that in Jamaica. Whoa. This is top banana. Trust me. Here we are down in a tropical paradise, man. Have a little look at this. I brought the right shirt. Shout out to Misha's friend that she met in Kingston that gave me this shirt. Probably saw I was wearing that same blue shirt every single day of my life. I have branched out a bit since then, but I'm still at a limited number of shirts. But yeah, I'm absolutely loving this. Yeah, this morning I was like, who do I look like? And I went online for about 10 seconds and typed in Magnum PI, Tom Selleck. And he had like a red shirt, one of these like Hawaiian type shirts, tropical Caribbean shirt. And then he had a black baseball cap on like this. But I think his one is it's the D for Detroit, not New York. Complete and utter fluke, did not put this outfit together. Misha's, because that's, you know, she's a bit more like cooler than me, a bit more hip. So, but I just wear it because like you can't go out without a hat on in Jamaica, basically. I can't. Anyway, this place is magical. This is proper magical here. Man, this bamboo is incredible. Right, I guess that's usually a bar that's like shut. So I am definitely 100% definitely gonna come back. So it's 1,000 for an adult, 500 for the picnic, so that's £1,000. So free fowl, and the baby was free. So 15 quid in English money, a little short of 15 quid. But yeah, definitely worth it. Let's have a look at some plants. Nice little natural stone wall here. What are these purple ones called again? Somebody tell me what the purple ones are called. I don't know. Yeah, so you kind of like, look, mountain all around there. You're in like a mini little bit where like, you know, the two mountains like split like a spring, I guess. And like, cause look, that's like a big like hill mountain and it goes up to where the main waterfall is. So that must be where like the fall is that you see in all the pictures, Breadnut Valley. And then it comes back around here. I like they've got some, look, is that some sacred geometry over there? Peace and love and stuff. I don't really know about that. All right. I'm being checked. Hey. Oh. Allez. Catching some shade in a tropical banana tree. They call me Tropical Tobz. Yes, that's my name. I've been trying to work with some names recently, some AKAs.
Oh look, there's a swing set there.
Yeah, there is, yeah, over there. And my English rap name, when I'm a English grime artist,
I'm off.
is Two Sugars. This is Daddy on the microphone. That's like my famous lyric I'm famous for. In Jamaica, I'm Tropical T. Or Tropical Tobz, they call me. All right. You cow.
I come over at the wrong time.
Oh.
You see the car?
Yeah, I can see them all down there, so I don't want to
Yeah.
get too close. That calf's got a pair of whatchamacallers on him. think. So that'll be a ball one day, that one down there. What are you two doing in that gully?
What are you doing, Hazy? Look at Danny.
Nothing.
You're in a gully, man.
What are you guys ready to
I'm
eat?
gully.
What are you ready to eat? What soup do you have?
Ital Corn soup.
Oh yeah, that'll do.
Okay.
That'll be well nice. I'll have that with a corn on the cob.
So would you like some soup?
I love corn on the cob. What's your place called?
I want the corn.
No name, Spur.
Spur Tree Hill.
Okay,
Spur
cool.
Tree
What's your
Hill.
names? So we're at Spur Tree Hill and we're at the Ital. We're having some corn soup.
Yes.
All right, let the man do his work.
Stay here where I can see you. Stay where I can see you.
You want some corn on the cob too?
I do.
And I do.
You do.
Yeah.
All right, wicked man.
Look at that big pot.
Yeah, check out the pot.
See the big pot, T? Look, Hayes, you see that big pot?
Wow, you got your corn on the cob.
We've got 2 corns, 1 each, so no one can get upset. And then I've got a small for me, and then the
Yeah,
large
don't.
for you.
Let me have a look at this.
And we got loads
Hazy,
of
you looking
tissues.
forward to your corn on the cob?
Mm-hmm.
Does it look yummy? T, you looking forward to your corn on the cob? I know what that means. Let me just get this.
I'm just going to wait for them to cool down a little. So listen, they're very hot. So I'm going to wait for them to cool down, okay? Yeah, and then you can have it. You can't go in.
Yeah, you can't go in through there, Hazy,
Why do you think you can't go in?
because you get burned.
I know you want to go in the wait.
You get a corn on the cob in a minute, T. getting some Ital corn soup, aren't we? T, you want to come a bit closer so I can get you in the shot? Where are we?
Sure.
So this is Ital corn soup, Eglinton Spur Tree. Sit. Being awkward. Look at
Theo, sit down.
look all like clobber.
I know, that's what I'm looking
We
at.
look like such tourists. It's crazy. Yeah,
She has as well.
yeah, like proper after that. So, what do you think of the soup? Did you like the soup?
No,
Why not?
because I want to eat my corn cob.
Your corn cob.
Oh, good girl.
It's over here. Mummy, show me the corn up the cob.
I've just put the corn and the cob
Yeah,
down
let me see
because
it.
it's pretty hot.
Man.
So I'm just waiting for it to cool down. They come out the soup.
So here it is, the good stuff. Watch this. Yeah. So we're here on Spur Tree Hill, getting some Ital corn soup.
Show Daddy your corn.
Whoa! You've completely decimated it. Tell me how, on a scale of 1 to 10, how good is it?
11 to 10.
11?
Yay!
Whoa, 11. Worth the visit, I reckon.
Would you come back again, Theo?
Would you come back?
He says he would.
He says he would.
Yeah, what would you get next time? What would you get next time you come back?
Carrot. Sweet corn.
What would you get, Hayes?
Sweet corn again.
Melly might get some peanut porridge again. Bless you, you alright there?
Yeah. Oh my God.
It's you.
What's that, darling?
Ellie,
Cob.
look at this.
Daddy hopping
Yeah.
cob. Daddy
Corn.
eating
What's that?
cob.
It's corn.
Oh yeah.
Is it hot?
Oh yeah.
Do you want to taste some?
Good girl.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Is it nice?
This is a lovely spot in it under the trees. Is it nice?
It is actually nice. Yeah. Put it down.
Have a sip. Have a sip now. Sip, sip, sip. It's Ital, like Bob Marley. Come on. You know what Ital is vital.
You'll enjoy it, Fee.
Good,
There's
no.
some sweet
Oi,
corn
what
in
does
there.
Daddy say when you have to eat something? I say, what do I say? I say, get it down, yeah.
Go on then. Go on then.
Here he is.
Good boy.
Nice. Nice.
What do you think?
Nice. Good. I'll have another sip. Here you
There he
go.
goes.
I didn't.
I would too, actually.
Have a bit more. Oi, T, look how cool we look like. Look how cool we look, man. Do we look like tourists?
Everyone's very colourful.
What'd you say, T? I'm feeling good, man,
Do you want to
today.
eat it like this, Theo?
I'm feeling good.
Do you want to get Daddy, your Daddy to get you on camera?
I've just dunked it. I've gone mad.
It's like a biscuit dunked into milk.
It's like a biscuit dunked into milk, T says.
Flip it out the back so you can light it. There you go.
It's so hot.
I know, but you have to just be careful. You hold the bag. Hold the bag. And then you
Whoa, trying to nab it.
say,
Hold the bag.
no, with it out your mouth, face.
Say, Bob. to get my cook shop in, man. Ridiculously quick. Go on.
I'm gonna get the baby a peanut porridge. I didn't realise they had peanut porridge here.
Yeah, they love this. Yeah.
Are you gonna sit next to me?
Yeah, why not? I'll sit next to you. That sounds... Here I am.
There will be no play. I will be living on holiday.
We are on holiday. That's where we're living. We're living on holiday, aren't we? Living on a prayer. I'm on holiday. What do you say?
I was just saying, so yeah, we're getting some peanut porridge.
Oh, wow, nice.
Right, how much do I owe you? So we had the small soup, the big soup, the 2 corn on the cob, and the porridge.
Give me an extra 100.
Baby.
Oh man, this peanut porridge is...
Oi.
Mmm.
Thank you. You want the one?
That's some excellent
says
peanut
100,
porridge.
2,000. Rachel said she needs the toilet.
Alright. Ah, he didn't do it. I'm gonna. Hold my hand. Hold my hand. This place is amazing. Wait there for 10 seconds. Wait there. Come here. Got the good stuff, baby. We just stopped at the roadside because that's how we live our lives. Got a little baggie of jackfruit, baby.
Yeah, it's delicious.
And
It's
one
so nice and sweet.
I absolutely love. Can you, could you?
Oh. Yeah, it's lovely. It's really nice and sweet, the jackfruit. I love jackfruit.
So do I.
Something we don't eat much of, but when we get it, really enjoy it.
Because it's expensive, but in England it tastes like polystyrene.
Yes, it does.
With no flavour. Over here it's like sweet.
It's lovely.
Tender.
It's lovely.
Doesn't taste like you're eating a piece of...
Yeah,
Can you
plastic.
stop?
Stop it, Theo, because you're going to lose your $100.
I have mine, but I'm not.
Thanks, baby.
To say it was $500 for the big bag of, well, not big bag, but you know, for a fair amount of jackfruit.
For enough for like 2 or 3 people, it's like 500, so it's like £2, which ain't too bad really.
Yeah, it's pretty decent.
Reasonable, normal. Not bringing to break the bank. Like it's a nice little fruity treat. Like I haven't got a jackfruit tree in my garden, so you know what I mean. I'm happy to pay £2 for a jackfruit session. Don't you think?
I'd love a tree.
Yeah,
We're gonna
we'll
get
one
to
day.
planting soon.
All right, cool. I might even go. Oi, should we stop at the tree place now?
Yeah, we
Something to
can
do. Oh,
Yeah,
we're gonna go to
why
the tree
not?
place and show you it. Yeah. Pretty soon we're gonna go to this place, and we got told a tip off from one of our good friends.
Yes.
Shout out to Sabrina and
Tony,
Tone Dog.
Pamela, all of them.
Don
all of
Tony.
them.
Yeah, anyway, we went up there. Amazing. I'm going to go up there now and show you, but we're going to do a proper deep dive into it in future, like proper soon, because I'm going to be buying probably about 80-90% of the trees from this place.
Yeah.
All right. This is my new thing. I'm like LL Cool J. That's what he does.
Hush, baby, don't let me know. This is how it's gonna go. Remember that song?
No.
Who remembers that song?
I do remember that song. Don't worry, guys. You'll never have. I'm gonna cut that bit out, so you'll never have to see that. Nah, leave it in.
Oh, good old LL Cool J.
Anyway, bye. How long have you been here, sir? How long has it been? Like, how long have you been at this establishment? Like, been here?
30 plus.
Wow.
30 plus years. Yeah.
Not long.
It's busy, isn't it? We drive past you basically like every single day.
Yeah.
But we've never stopped, but we're definitely going to be stopping again. Yeah, we live in Jamaica.
Okay.
Yeah.
Moved here
But
in February.
we're still tourists, basically.
Where in Jamaica?
So you've been here 30 years. It's amazing. Can you give me some cooking lessons?
Please.
Could you give me some cooking lessons, please? What do you put in the peanut porridge though? Is it blitzed peanuts?
You just blend it up.
No, you blend the peanuts
Raw or roasted?
raw.
Raw.
Oh.
No, roasted.
You roast the peanuts, yeah.
And then you use
Cane sugar.
the body.
Yeah.
I use woolly wheats and plantain.
Yeah. Okay. Plantain. Plantain. Yeah.
And then I use the cinnamon.
Semolina.
Cinnamon.
Oh, cinnamon and nutmeg.
Yeah, nutmeg and then coconut milk and sugar.
Okay. I'm gonna try it because it's absolutely delicious, and we're on a budget, aren't we? And like you can get peanuts cheap.
You need to
So you
open
want
up
to
your
know,
mouth.
Yeah.
about the soup?
100%.
Alright. What I used to do the soup.
Yeah.
I use the peanuts,
Yeah.
Sit down.
corn,
Yeah.
pumpkin,
Go stand
yam,
next to
Irish,
Daddy.
carrot, okra,
Hazel, go stand next
and then
to Daddy.
country seasoning is scallion, thyme, garlic, and pepper.
Okay. Cool. I can watch this back and then make it. 100%. I'm gonna do this. I promise you. Misha, aren't I gonna make this?
I say you come and get some cooking lessons.
I know. That's why he's telling me how to make it. I'm gonna try and make it.
Yeah.
Can you clear something up? Is it scallion or scallion?
Scallion.
Scallion with an E, like more like an E. There you go, scallion. All right, wicked. Thank you so much, sir.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Respect. Honestly, I really appreciate you talking to us, and I really appreciate
Yes.
So I'm gonna try and make this. It's scallion with an E, not scallion. Yeah. So we'll be back. Won't we be regulars now?
Yes, definitely. And he wants to come back for his next piece of corn already.
Yeah. We literally passed by you like. Was just asking. What's your name, sir? Will.
Win.
Win. Wayne. Oh, I'm Tobias. So I was just looking at these blocks because we're going to be moving soon. But these are blocks, but then with a rough cast, obviously like a rough render, and then they've just lined it, but obviously measured them out. So it looks like they're big blocks, but it looks well cool, doesn't it? Yeah.
It does.
It does actually look really cool.
It's nice and like it is actually cool as well.
Yeah. And then obviously this is just like,
It's black and then they kick the carrots to the top.
yeah, all right, wicked.
Wait.
Wayne,
Take
Well
care.
done.
what's up? All right, thanks, man.
Thank you.
Cheers, Wayne. All right, we're leaving. This place was absolutely amazing. Loved it.